He blacked out.
Adam 97, 1037.
Got it.
Adam K. 0.
10-440 eastbound North Interchange.
Driver! Driver! Put your hands out the window! Put your hands out the window! Driver! Put your hands out the window! Hey, cover me. I'm gonna get my wife. All right. Put your hands out the window now! Both hands out the window now!
He's on the phone.
Get off the phone! Driver, open the door from the outside! Open the door from the outside! Away from me! Drop what's on your hands! Put your hands up! Grab your coat from your shoulders and expose your waistband! No! Keep your hand from your shoulders, expose your waistband! Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Put your hands up! Walk back to the sound of my voice! Walk! 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 Stop! Take 3 steps to the right! Keep going, keep going, keep going, stop! Walk back to the sound of my voice! Walk, walk! You start going again.
All right, walk back! Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, keep on, stop! All right.
Hold what you got, okay? Get on your knees.
Hey, let me see this hand.
There's nobody else in there.
Nobody else in the car?
Hey, just hang out when we get. We're going to get you. We'll explain everything in a minute, okay?
All right, stand up. Step over here. Right there. You got any weapons on you?
I play with guns.
Okay.
I'm scared of guns.
All right. I smell weed. You got it on you or is it in the car? It's in the car? Okay.
There's nobody else in there, sir.
Okay. Yeah, man, I appreciate it. We got to check anyway, and then we'll explain everything to you, okay?
Spread your feet. All right. Let's come and have a seat.
I'll be able to make a phone call or let them know I'm going here.
We'll let you get to that here in a second. Okay.
We're going to clear from this side.
Okay.
You come over here. So basically, at this point on, you're just going to keep that outside, and we're just going to clear it as we go, one door at a time.
Okay.
I'll just do it that way.
All right. Just a bunch of little stuff. He said there's weed in the car. Hey, you got your ID on you, man?
Get out to it.
Where's it? Where do you think it's at? In your back pocket?
It's a wallet.
In that jacket pocket?
What the heck, man? Don't turn off your lights when you go 130, bro.
Man, I ain't gonna lie. I was scared. I ain't gonna lie. I was so scared. I'm trying to rush to work. I'm gonna lose my job.
Yeah, you ain't got no wallet on you, do you?
It's a Louis Vuitton wallet under the radio.
Under the radio?
Yeah,
okay. All right. What you need, sir? Yes, sir.
Stop it, save it, and then immediately restart it. So go ahead and do that real quick.
Okay. Adam 22, next to 11. X-ray King Union, 273 XKU.